Okay, today we are at number 88, okay, Jalan Tuba in Kampong Atap, and this is Triptyk. This is an old house, very old, I don't know how many years old, and it has been converted into an F&B outlet, currently still under renovation. A very rustic, classic house. Okay, there's the downstairs and there's upstairs. So let's go in and have a look first. Okay, this is the main area, still under renovation, not complete yet. So here you sit down and have your drinks and food, and this is the kitchen area. And here we also have 3 e-mix speakers installed here to play background music. Okay, but they can go quite loud and very nice. Then we have the back area. Let's go to the back. This is the back section of Triptyk, and at this back section here we have all these tables and chairs, and we have 3 units of the EMWS 884 speakers from e-mix. Okay, these 3 speakers just give sound for this area, and we have one more in the VIP room which you will see later. But these speakers all, you can control the volume. Okay, we can control the volume using this volume controller from e-mix. You can either adjust the volume or you can turn off the sound for this area only. Welcome to Triptyk. This is 88 Jalan Tuba in Kampong Atap, and we are now inside Triptyk. This is a very special F&B outlet, very raw, very old. It's actually a house converted into an F&B outlet. This is the ground floor. Upstairs is still renovating. But I'm here today to talk about AV electronics, and we are actually involved in this project where we have installed a sound system, a basic sound system from e-mix. Okay. Before that, let me talk about how we got involved. The owner was looking for a sound system, a basic sound system. This is maybe about 4,000 square feet, downstairs, upstairs. And total, we have installed something like 12 speakers plus 1 subwoofer, and using a mixing amplifier and an amplifier unit to power all these 12 speakers plus the subwoofer. And it's a basic sound system, a PA system, where they play background music for this whole outlet. And each section has its own volume control. Some don't have. It's a very nice place, very comfortable, old school, rustic, and I don't know, the kind of music you can try when it's open sometime later in December. Drop by and have a feel of this place and a feel of the e-mix sound system that we have installed here. Okay, so AVM, well, we got involved directly with the owner, and we contracted the cabling and installation to a wiring contractor, and our guy, Mr. Lai, came to install the speakers and the amplifier. Now they're upstairs tuning the system, testing it, making sure it works properly. So we keep it simple. Okay, it's a very simple system, a very basic system. So if you are looking for a basic sound system to play background music, nothing too loud, but you want clarity and people can still talk, well, come and find AV Electronics Marketing. See what's your needs, how loud you want it, how clear you want it, what's your budget. So for this one, it's quite basic. So let's take a tour. Okay, let's have a look. This is the VIP room. Yep, a small VIP room. We can sit about 8 people here. A private session, and we have 1 e-mix speaker up there. Okay, same EMWS 884, and of course it's a VIP room. We can have meetings here, whatever. You need to be able to control the volume or turn it off. Okay, very nice, very cozy. Now let's go upstairs. Now we go upstairs. Now we are upstairs and we have more speakers installed here. E-mix here, E-mix there, and E-mix. Okay, 3 speakers to cover this area. And we have a subwoofer. Let's go and see. And here we have an audio center subwoofer to provide better bass for this whole area, because we have a DJ console coming up here to play some nice dance music. And if you want to come into the back entrance, this is the back entrance of Triptyk. Okay, colorful with some graffiti. Very nice. Okay, so if you're looking for a sound system, a basic or an advanced sound system, come and find AV Electronics Marketing Sdn Bhd, and we can propose to you the sound system that suits your application. And if you're looking for some nice Vietnamese food with some good drinks and a cool place to hang out with your friends, come to Triptyk. Okay? Bye.